Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a mesh stitch in a crochet project. This is a mesh stitch I have made in a cardigan, and the cardigan I made with double crochet stitch, and in the sleeves I have given the pattern of mesh stitch. This stitch is very simple, very beautiful, the perfect for summer tops, shawls, bags and scarves, or you can make this stitch in any of your project just for to enhance its beauty. It looks light and elegant, and it is very easy to memorize once you understand the pattern. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. The material you required is yarn of your choice. For the beginners, I recommend a medium weight yarn and a crochet hook. If you want a more open and airy mesh, then use a slightly bigger hook. First of all, make a slip knot. I have already shared with you the video of how you can make a slip knot. So after making a slip knot, we will insert our crochet hook inside our slip knot and slightly tighten it. Then we will make a foundation chain. For mesh stitch chain, even number of stitches. So we will make a foundation chain with even numbers. So we have make a chain of even numbers. I have made 20 chains. After these 20 stitches, I will make 2 extra stitches, 2 extra chains. This will count as a 1 double crochet. If you want to give height to your project, then you can make 2 chains here. Otherwise, you can make just 1 single chain. Now we will do a double crochet. We will skip these 2 stitches, and in the next stitch we will make our double crochet. Now we will chain 1, skip this one next stitch, and in the other next stitch we will make our double crochet. After skipping 1 stitch, we will make double crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 1, skip this next stitch, and in this next stitch we will make a double crochet. Skip this, and in this one we will make a double crochet. Now again chain 1, skip this stitch, and in the next stitch we will make a double crochet. Repeat this process. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Skip this, and in this stitch we will make a 1 double crochet. So our mesh stitch is going to start. Again stitch 1. After chaining 1, we will skip this stitch, and in the next chain we will make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip this chain, and in the next chain we will make a double crochet. I have already shared with you the tutorial of how you can make a double crochet. We will repeat this process till the end. So our first row is complete. For the second row we will chain 2. If you want to give height to your project, then you can make 2 chains here. Otherwise you can make just 1 chain as well. Now turn your work. Skip this stitch, and in the next chain make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip this next stitch, and in the next stitch we will make our double crochet. We will repeat the same process as we did in the first chain. Chain 1, skip this space chain, and in the next chain we will make our double crochet. So our second row is complete, and for the third row we will again make 2 chains, turn our work, skip this first chain, and in the next chain we will make our double crochet. Skip this stitch, and in the next chain above this double crochet we will make our double crochet. Chain 1, skip this chain, and in the next chain above this double crochet we will again make a double crochet. We will repeat this process till the end. So by repeating the pattern we have completed our third row. When you reach the end of the row, you should finish with the double crochet. You can customize this pattern by making half double crochet or the single crochet instead of the double crochet for a tighter mesh. You can make as many rows as you like by just repeating the same pattern. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.